Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tonight I would like to discuss Skyworks Solutions, a chip manufacturing company. I will give some background of the company, what it does, shows you some fundamentals, company fundamentals, will show you what other people are saying about the company, then go into a chart and some technicals about the company, and then I'm going to make some predictions about where the price is going. And from this analysis and predictions, perhaps maybe we can put some money in your pocket, but at least you should put it on your watch list. Skyworks Solutions should be on your watch list to trade now or in the future. It's a 5G Internet of Things type stock. It's really going to go some places. Let's get started. First things first, how did I find this stock? So I went to my free Tradingview charting package, and I have a watch list of 220 stocks, and that's not the list. The list is my blue list, and these are all the stocks that I think are important to trade. They're on my watch list anyway. These are stocks that I know and love, I know a little bit about, I know their names, and I can recognize them from a list. Sometimes I don't know very much other than that. How they got on there is I watched Kramer. I went and typed in a Google search, saying which is the best 10 stocks to trade. I looked at Tastyworks list for optional stocks. And I got them all over the place and added this list. And now I'm using Tradingview to search. So I flagged them here, and then did a filter based on the criteria that I wanted to find, which essentially was strong buy, and I wanted it to be in these main sectors: commercial services, communications, electronics, energy, and health. Health technology, by the way. And I believe that's all I used. Those are the lists. And how did I pick those sectors? Well, it's Sunday night, and I looked on Friday's Finviz, and we had a little run up at the end of the day, yes, and that put everything in the green. And things look green. It wasn't that way all day, though. And then I looked at the groups, the best performing groups. Then this is what I got: basic materials, technology, energy, and healthcare. And I also was interested in consumer defense. Watch list of 200 stocks, filtered it out, and get 13 matches. And then I clicked on the RSI, which is it's an add-on for me. I added this. I made a special screen. You can do that, make your own screens, and this is basically I added an RSI, and I want to buy because I'm picking strong buys. So I want RSI to start out to be low. They're all above 50, which some people use the RSI above 50 as a buy signal. I do it a little earlier, and you see this stock is aerospace tech defense. It's very good. And I believe it has some future. And with Biden coming up with a $2 or $3 trillion infrastructure, I believe some of that money will go into defense. Skyworks is a second on my list. And if you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that I use the MACD and the RSI. The RSI needs to come below or above and then come back around. It's coming back around. This has done that. The RSI has come around. It went below. It's coming back around. And here is the MACD. The zigzag doesn't know what it's doing, so it's been 2 bars, and I'm assuming it's going up. And I don't like that long green bar on Friday, but I have a feeling things will come back down a little bit. That was a late run up, and I'm hoping to come back between 174 and 175, and that's where I'm going to probably put a buy if I'm interested in this. After I've done the analysis, I'll put a buy in at 174 or 175. All right, that's how I found it. Let's dive deeper into the analysis. Tradingview offers some fundamental data on your chosen stock, and you'll see that it's semiconductors, the Internet of Things, 5G, very important for Apple, iPhones, autonomous cars. And in Tradingview, they're giving a strong buy. That's why we got, but we're going to validate that with other tools. Going to Finviz, we can see we have a pretty good run up for last year. In December till February. It's been a good run up, and we had a little dip, as in all technology stocks did this. And then it was bouncing around, and we have this long green candle, which worries me today. The target price is 201, which is up here, according to Finviz. Plenty of room to travel. It's got a PE that's positive and a forward PE, and that means it's profitable. There's shortable, optionable, and analyst recommendation is this is kind of a moderate buy or hold, 2.3. The earnings was in January, and the next earnings will be probably May sometime. We'll check that. During the tech dive, this stock was downgraded on the 5th of March. And there's plenty of news. It says Skyworks has generated over half its revenue from Apple. I think it's good, but this is revenue growth, and it looks like Intel's growing at a bigger clip. Likewise for profits. The low valuation and the downside potential, because of the low valuation, Skyworks is doesn't have much room to fall, but it might have some trouble with producing chips, as there is a chip shortage. So Motley Fool says Skyworks is the winner, but Intel looks good too. Lots of news here. A deal with Link Systems. I believe it's a company on the move. Now let's see what Tipranks has to say about the stock. Again, I'm using the free edition at the moment, but this is one of the software tools that I think I might go ahead and invest. It's around $30 a month, but I believe it's a tool that will pay back in dividends. Okay. Anyway, I've liked it. I've used it for the last 3 weeks and getting used to it still, and I like it. Skyworks, it's trading at 182, target of 204, according to Tipranks. Remember, Finviz said around $200. Moderate buy here. It rates it as an outperform. I like that. Nice chart again. Earnings date is May 6th, as I guessed. It is a profitable company. Earnings are growing. And that was in the Motley Fool article. Revenues are growing, earnings are growing. This article, I'll just summarize it. It's highly dependent. 50% of its revenues are from Apple. It's highly dependent. And this is one of the top stocks for the 5G revolution. So it fits with my overall investing scenario, which is to invest in 5G and technology, especially healthcare technology. So summarizing, we have a profitable company that's trading at 182, had a long candle on Friday, so we're trying to wait for a little pullback. It is growing. The target price, according to Finviz, according to Tipranks, is 204. They're rating it a moderate buy, and Finviz is rating it a buy. Tradingview is rating it a strong buy. There is some value, according to Graham. There's many different ways of calculating this, by the way. If you break the company up, there should be some left. So there's value in the company. If something bad happens, you have to break it up. You still have money left over. So we have strong company, and looking 35 to 40 days out, I suspect that the price is going to move at least $6. $6 over 33 days. And it's using options to predict that. So if you were going to do an option play here, you want to make sure that your strike price is outside of these two figures. Using a small account with risking $1,200 per trade, with around $5,000 basic account, taking a stop loss at 2% and a profit at 5%, you expect to make $60 using that percentage, and you might 24. Anyway, I think Skyworks Solutions is a good stock for the future. You should consider putting it on your watch list. Another action you could take is to research its competitors, which one of them is Intel. You could do a better job of analyzing this stock and put your comments in below and tell me what is different. And you can paper trade this to see how things are working. See if you make money. See if your expected move is $6. Draw two lines $6 above and below and see if it moved. $6 below above 182 is 188 right there, right at support. See that? They're slick. Those option guys are slick. So if you were doing an option, you put it slightly above that. I'm going to wait to 175 right in here. Wait till it pulls back. So I'll put a standing order out on Monday morning, especially if things look a little erratic this morning. 175. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the flip.